Early before the others could rise, he rubbed his eyes to see a sweeter dawn, so serene. For such an early mockingbird was he. He flapped his wings into the air, while his tail eluded the currents. His eyes were sharper than an eagle's, and his appetite more than a cormorant. Up above the banyan he perched, above its roots and vines. His feet were many and never scarce, well thought out yet natural by design. He built the entrance to his nest, so wide and open, yet so thin. His premises, though many, were detached, for with each passing winds he often did win. He was ridiculed by the other birds for waking up early before them. What could he do? He knew how it went. He didn't like being another of the ducks or the hens. They sang songs and wrote ballads of how the sun rose in the west. He doubted himself, but then scoffed at them, for every dawn proved he was better than the rest. While the ducks, the hens, and the quails did forage, when the sun was in the west, he rested and sang songs mocking them, such a wily little rascal, which Axiom could detest. Often he yearned, even cajoled and tried, to guide the chicks and the lilings, yet in vain, for swiftly did they march away from his true and very real teachings. For it was a blessing and a curse, he did say, perched high upon his banyan tree. For knowledge is stifled by ignorance all around. Such a lonely mockingbird is me.